Dealing with knee pain due to a bone-on-bone condition. In this video, we'll explore 5 effective ways to relieve knee pain bone-on-bone. So let's get into this. Wait, before starting the video, we introduce you with Joint Restore Gummies, which will help you to relieve knee pain naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Way 1. Low-impact exercises. Our first way involves engaging in low-impact exercises to alleviate knee pain and improve joint flexibility. Embrace exercises such as swimming, stationary cycling, and gentle yoga to strengthen the muscles surrounding the knee without putting excessive pressure on the joint itself. Regular low-impact workouts can help improve range of motion, reduce stiffness, and promote better overall joint function and comfort. Way 2. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for reducing the burden on the knee, joint, and bone-on-bone cases. Adopt a balanced diet and portion control to manage body weight effectively, as excess weight can exacerbate knee pain and contribute to further joint degeneration. Consult with a nutritionist or healthcare professional to develop a personalized weight management plan that supports your overall health and reduces the strain on your knees. Way 3. Physical therapy. Undergoing physical therapy sessions can provide targeted support and relief for individuals with bone-on-bone knee conditions. A certified physical therapist can design a specialized exercise program to strengthen the muscles around the knee, improve flexibility, and enhance joint stability, ultimately reducing pain and enhancing mobility. Regular physical therapy sessions can also provide guidance on using assistive devices and techniques for better movement and reduced discomfort in everyday activities. Way 4. Use of supportive devices. Incorporating supportive devices can help alleviate pressure on the knee joint and reduce pain in bone-on-bone cases. Utilize knee braces or sleeves to provide additional support and stability to the knee joint, especially during physical activities that may exacerbate discomfort. Consider using orthotic shoe inserts or custom footwear to improve alignment and reduce strain on the knees, promoting better posture and enhanced mobility. Way 5. Pain management strategies. Implementing effective pain management strategies is essential for enhancing comfort and improving quality of life in cases of severe knee joint degeneration. Explore options such as over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications, topical pain relief creams, and hot or cold therapy to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. Consult with a healthcare provider to explore advanced pain management solutions, including injections or other medical interventions, to effectively manage chronic knee pain and enhance your overall well-being. Where to get the Joint Restore Gummies? Get Joint Restore Gummies from official website. Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time, stay tuned.